Gazi, how are you?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm good. Thank you. What's up? How are you?
Good, Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah.
So you're learning English?
All right. Oh, you remember me that what I do actually in this platform.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, very good. So you
I
from?
remember.
Thank you. You from Syria?
No, Jordan.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You from Jordan. All right. Thank you. Welcome. So, did we have PK before, or this is the first time?
Yeah. No, we did.
Okay. All right. Thank you. So, what do you do for yourself? I lost my memory. I'm sorry.
I remind you with myself.
Yeah.
My name is Halawiya.
No, I said, what do you do for work? For work.
I don't work.
Oh, you don't work well. So, dear sister, Jordan people can't really speak English as well. But I think you know very good English. It's very substantial to speak with other communities people as well. So you keep going. So how did you learn English?
It's easy with me. It's easy for me, so it's fine.
How did you learn English?
By practice.
Pardon?
Practice.
Practice. Yeah, I know. How did you practice? Like
I used
like conversation with other people or at school, whether from where?
No. Actually, I used to read lots of books English, and I used to watch movies without translator. Then I chat a lot.
Yeah, I understand. I got you. You know what? It's a big substantial achievement for you that you can speak English.
My first boyfriend was from UK. His name is Raul.
Oh, so by the way, you got this fluency as well. So you have a good man to practice English as well.
Who?
As you said, your boyfriend.
No, my first.
Oh.
In the past.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, look at that, my bard.
But why should I practice? I don't need to practice. I already know how to speak, how to write.
Oh, okay.
I know it all.
I understand. So, dear sister, you know Bangladesh?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is the meaning of your name?
My you know what? Gazi is a title. This is a title. Okay. But my full name is Gazi Nahian. Okay. The Nahian name was one of the men who was the president of Arab Emirat in 90s.
Okay.
So my father just hold this name for me.
It's very nice.
Yeah. What about your name? What's the meaning of your name?
It's the big pearl in the sea.
Okay.
The white big pearl.
Yeah, I understand. So, sister, if you come in Bangladesh, so most of the Bangladeshis knee will fall down. Look at your face. So come here in Bangladesh and show your beauty here. All right.
Thank you for the offer, but no.
No, but why not? Why not?
I don't know. I never put Bangladesh on the map or on the places I want to visit. But maybe I will check.
Okay, so you know what? If you don't come up in Bangladesh, so let me come in your country.
Yeah, sure, you can come. It's Jordan. Welcome anytime.
Okay, if I come in your country, so certainly that will be for you. So would you like to be my travel guide?
Inshallah, I will try. I have to go now because a lot of my friends are sending me. So.
Inshallah. Okay, thank you. One day I will meet with you in Jordan.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you.
What?
Okay, one day I will meet with you in Jordan.
Inshallah.
Okay.